Windsurf AI. Is this the best free AI code editor? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to give you a thorough and no hype evaluation of Windsurf AI, covering its user interface, speed, cascade agent, limitations between the free and pro plans, hands on usage, and how it stacks up against alternatives like Cursor. So let's get started. So meet Windsurf AI, which was formerly known as Codium. It promotes itself as the first AI-powered IDE agent aiming to do more than just autocomplete lines of code. It interprets your entire code base, executes commands, resolves bugs, and even deploys applications without needing to leave the editor. But how well does it actually work in practice? Let's take a closer look and see if Windsurf AI really lives up to the bold claims. Windsurf is modeled after Visual Studio Code in both layout and usability. It offers a streamlined, familiar user interface complete with hotkeys, a file tree, and a command palette. The backbone of Windsurf is its Cascade agent, which is a smart assistant that understands cross-file relationships, executes terminal instructions, and modifies code directly on your system. You can give it high-level prompts like build a task manager app, and it will scaffold your front-end, back-end database and even set up deployment pipelines, all within the IDE. So now let us discuss some key features that Windsurf offer. First is the Cascade Flow engine. It understands full project structure such as executes shell commands, applies contextual changes across multiple files, supports live preview and deployment pipelines. Then the best feature is Super Complete and Inline Editor. It writes complete functions and documentations, refactors code blocks with inline suggestions, displays change previews before applying edits, and it also has a session memory and in-app debugging, tracks session history across tabs and files, lets you run, test, and refine code within the same flow. So Windsurf offers a free version powered by OpenAI models like Claude with unlimited basic autocomplete. So the Pro subscription at around $15 per month unlocks access to faster and more capable models, 500 advanced prompt tokens per month, quicker processing, and higher accuracy. Why developers love it? It's because of its intuitive user interface, Cascade agent, live app previews, free access, and it is perfect if you want a fluid AI-assisted workflow with minimal friction. The feedbacks for this are both positive and there are also some complaints. Of power and early stage quirks mean it's high potential but still maturing. So go with Windsurf AI if you want a streamlined AI-driven workflow, prefer live editing, fast iteration, and in IDE deployment, like the idea of using powerful AI for free or don't mind paying a little for pro features. So if you're building full stack applications, want an AI enhanced workflow, and like staying within a single workspace, Windsurf AI is a serious alternative to the usual coding setup. It's not perfect yet, but it's promising, especially for developers who want to move fast and stay in flow. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.